AI-assisted processes, supporting knowledge workers with Visual AI and Google Glass. GFT has partnered with GCP and manufacturing companies to develop intelligent support for knowledge workers in assembly processes using Google Glass and Visual AI. The insights and results created in this exciting project are applicable to a wide range of business processes outside of the manufacturing domain. For example, trader monitoring. This innovation was spurred by the observation that many of GFT's customers were experiencing a business environment that has seen an increase in complexity and diversity as new entrants and innovative startups change the definition of entire product segments. We have seen that to be competitive and to deliver sustained performance for customers, organizations have to have the capability to execute a wide range of complex processes and tasks. Rather than employees being required to know and use one core process and possibly a few peripheral administrative items, firms operating in the modern economy have to ask their employees to be able to work fluidly across a wide range of processes, and at the same time, regulation and risk management mean that employees must execute these tasks conformantly, using the right systems and the right working practices. For example, in manufacturing, employees have to be able to deliver rarely executed and yet technically demanding assembly processes. An agile mindset leads to the development of many experimental products. Properly evaluating and exploiting these requires that they are sustained in the field, and this means that spare parts need to be constructed and delivered on demand. The challenge is to deliver appropriate advice to the knowledge worker during the process, ensuring that they can accurately execute the process first time with no defects, saving both cost and time to delivery. Safely execute the process. It's necessary to ensure that safety advice that they may have forgotten or overlooked is provided during the process. And conformantly deliver the process, providing documentation that the components are correctly and safely assembled, giving the end user confidence so that you can use the output. To achieve these aims, GFT has worked with its customers and Google to develop an approach using Visual AI, Google Glass Enterprise Edition 2. GFT is able to harness the investment that Google has made into object recognition technology and fine-tune it for use in particular environments. The progress that's been made in AI, coupled with the progress made in mobile device development, brings new opportunities to enhance and augment workers, providing them with new experiences and creating new and improved process capabilities for their organization. When the system recognizes the key steps in any given process, it's able to provide context-specific advice, improving quality and safety. The recognition of key steps allows a model of the process's execution to be maintained and updated, time-stamping the critical steps and tracking progress, ensuring that the worker is protected and kept safe, and also ensuring that exceptions and problems during assembly are recorded for review. This also allows for organizational learning, enabling the end users to determine when there are steps that are complex or confusing across episodes that may be months apart. Visual AI technology also enables the identification of defects in parts before they are picked for assembly, reducing wastage and boosting productivity. The use of Google Glass enables the worker to use both hands and focus on the process. The headset is light, about 1/10 of competitive designs, and created for use in an operational environment. Google Glass for Enterprise is based on Google's Android operating system and integrates smoothly with GCP services. By drawing on this integration, GFT can bring the power of the cloud directly to the workflow without disrupting the employee's flow. The system provides unobtrusive and context-sensitive support for the worker. Drawing together all of these components has boosted productivity between 10 and 34% in a variety of deployments. The system protects employees, improving health and safety. And finally, the system drives process conformance and documentation, reducing stress for workers and ensuring that regulatory conditions are met every time. Innovation like this is just one of the ways that GFT is helping its customers stay ahead of change.